In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom Microsoft 365 Copilot agents with Agent Builder and Copilot Studio. If you've ever wanted Copilot to understand your team's specific goals, tone, and knowledge, custom agents are the way to go. You'll do this inside Agent Builder, which you can open from the Copilot app. Once you're in, you have two straightforward paths. The first is the Describe tab, perfect when you know what you want but don't want to configure every setting. Simply write a plain English description of your agent, who it serves, the tasks it should handle, the tone it should use, and any boundaries it should respect. Think of it like a creative brief. The builder turns that description into an initial agent you can immediately try, then refine by adding more detail or tightening the instructions. The second path is the Configure tab, which gives you more hands-on control. Here, start by choosing a template that matches your scenario so you're not building from scratch. Next, add knowledge sources so your agent has real context. This can include SharePoint sites or specific documents that contain policies, biases, procedures, or reference material. Keep those sources current and well organized. Your agent is only as reliable as the content it can consult. After that, define the agent's persona and instructions. Give it a clear role, spell out what it should prioritize, and guide the style of its responses. This is where you set expectations such as being concise, citing sources from your added knowledge, or asking clarifying questions when needed. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve the agent's usefulness. With the basics in place, test your agent right inside the builder. Ask it to perform the tasks you care about, vary your wording, and see how it handles edge cases. If something feels off, iterate. Sharpen your instructions, adjust the knowledge sources, or switch templates. Testing is where your agent becomes truly dependable. When you're satisfied, publish from Agent Builder so others can use it. If you need deeper customization or want to bring in pro code options, open the same agent in Copilot Studio. Studio offers advanced controls and extensibility so you can fine-tune behavior, integrate additional systems, and scale your solution without losing the simplicity you started with. That's the complete flow. Describe or configure, add knowledge, define the persona and instructions, test thoroughly, then publish, and step up to Copilot Studio whenever you're ready for more advanced customization.